Hey everybody, welcome back to the Creation Station. I just wanted to take a break from everything lush and orchestrated and beautiful and stunning and take myself back to the days of my garage band quartet where we were playing at decibel levels that still have my ears ringing today. And I just gave myself a little birthday gift on the 24th of December. That little HOFNER bass has been a dream of mine ever since my friends from the Tearaways brought one in. And I wanted to turn it into a little monster. Okay, and I wanted to show you how I did that. So the naked sound sounds like this. And that's with the labella strings on there because the factory strings are just awful. So okay, so that's a nice bass sound. That's just the DI. So let me show you real quick what that thing sounds like when I turn on this guy here, the SLATE bass plugin with a pitch shifter in it that's set like an octaver. All of a sudden, it sounds like this. Different story, right? What's in there are a couple things. Obviously, we got a little bit of a compressor on there. We got the pitch shifter giving us just the right amount of grit from the lower octave. Got the bass face 59, an Alnico cabinet, and pretty much nothing else. But I thought that was still too tame, but I didn't want distortion, I want grit. And Saturn 2 gave me just that. See how that changes the sound. Without it, really admire that guitar modeling stuff and that it can also do bass. But there's a little extra smack and crackle on the sound. So here's a little thing I did. I played with the drums. Let me play that for you real quick. Okay. Oh, one more thing. There's also a chorus in there. See this little guy over here? The C1 over here is actually really, really usable. Just a mellow little bit. But you see there's a good bit coming through here that reads, you know. Turning it off. Did a little superior drummer programming here just to let you hear the context between that and programmed drums. Got like this custom kit that's pretty mean sounding, and it's not, you know, it's only internal processing, a little compression and saturation, but not much. So check it out. Ready, steady, go. That's pretty cool, right? Turn into a little beast coming from here. And then using the SLATE. We turn the pitch shifter off. Even that sound is already great. It's pretty cool, but that octave down. Just there's a lot of animal in that sound. So that's a little HOFNER bass on the rock setting. Hope you enjoyed that sound. If you guys found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. There's so much more coming. You know, I'm a multi-instrumentalist. I've got so many instruments to cover. Like there's going to be tons of guitar, bass, drum programming, synth orchestration, virtual orchestration on every level, with horns, strings, and brass. There's a virtual big band video coming, so please subscribe to the channel. It helps it out dramatically. That's pretty much it. Stephan Oberhoff signing out from the Creation Station. God bless. Peace.